Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to connect your iPhone to Apple AirPods. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPhone. Can be any iPhone, starting from iPhone 6 all the way to whatever they are releasing today. And you also need AirPods. So we can now start the tutorial. So in order to connect, let's just take the AirPods out of the casing and let's turn the access to the iPhone itself. Turn on the Bluetooth. And now we can open up the AirPods. Not your AirPods. AirPods not connected to this iPhone. Let's connect. It will tell us to hold the button at the back of the casing so we can hold down the button and make sure the case is open. This should take a second or two. Click on connect, not now, and click on done. So we have now connected the AirPods to the iPhone itself. So go to settings, go to Bluetooth, and there we have all the connected devices to our iPhone itself. So we can now close the AirPods. And so that's it with this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now.